Hi everybody, this is Cool Stuff for You Anytime, showing you my latest model of car creation. You've probably seen this in the stores. It is a bright orange snowplow truck, mid-70s GMC. I think it's around a 76, but I don't remember specifically. But anyway, it's a snowplow truck, and since I live down in Texas, we don't have any need for snowplows ever. So I decided to do something that is more common here, and that's making it into a ranch truck, farm truck, hunting truck, something like that. So this is what I ended up doing with the kit. I went with the basic kit more or less, but then I made some alterations and some additions to it, including custom building the toolbox and the bed there. This is little pieces of balsa wood that I painted and stained to make it look like it was, regular wood, as well as painting on the the little marks on it and whatnot, as well as painting some knots into it and painting grain into it, that kind of thing. Made a little trailer hitch in the back, because a trailer hitch is always going to be found in a truck like this. And then generally speaking, I just gave it a flat paint job. And the one thing that I really did that's kind of different than most of the other mud trucks I've seen is I actually made this one have mud all over the truck. You can see this is not just a illusion of paint. This is actually mud in 3D on the side of the truck. So I want it to look just like if it had actually been out in the mud, including the windshield. You can see on there that I made the windshield wiper marks, so it looks like it's been sloshing mud off the windshield wipers. And as you go higher and higher up the truck, of course, there's less and less physical mud and a lot more just general dirt and general nastiness, which is what happens on a truck like this. They get really, really dirty down by the wheels, and less so when you get further up the chain. So that's my newest creation, and if people like this creation, I'll show you some more of the stuff I've done, but I just wanted to make sure I showed this one a little bit and showed the interior and things of that sort to kind of show what it looks like. The interior was something I also did a little custom work on, including making some tears in the seats there, and I don't know if you can see this very well or not, but I also put in a custom shifter because it did not have the four-wheel drive shifter included with it, even though this truck is indeed a four-wheel drive truck. So it didn't make much sense to me that it would not have a four-wheel drive shifter, because in this era of trucks, they had a shifter on the floor to engage the four-wheel drive. So that's why I did it the way I did it. So anyway, it's I put the radial antenna on the top for the CB radio, because that would have been pretty common in the mid 70s and even up into the early 80s. And other than that, it's pretty much just a box stock truck with a little bit of customization added to it here and there. But anyway, I hope you like the looks of it, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, comment and let me know. Thanks.